Hello everybody.
I'm Devleena
And I am Achira.
and welcome to our brand new channel Life Bugs.
So as the name suggests, this channel is all about how we have been debugging our lives till date. So we thought why not share the experience with all of you.
Yeah, and we will have pretty much variety in our content, right from lipstick swatches to even taking care of your pets.
Totally.
Yeah, so we
Today,
both love
lipsticks.
lipsticks and we both love
Love.
lipsticks. So that's why we thought of doing lipstick swatches for the first video, and we'll be doing it shade wise and not brand wise. So we have some pinks, plums and reds for you today.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the other thing is both of us will be trying the same lipstick so that you can understand how it looks on two different skin tones and you can place yourself in between there, here, wherever. Yep.
Just-
So without further ado, let's just start swatching, or else we keep talking.
Yep.
So here we have applied the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade of Prague, and
One of the two positive sides are basically, one is it is brightly pigmented and it does not at all dry out your lips. Yeah.
yes, but this doesn't stay for too long, and it definitely needs a retouch after every meal or if you're wearing it for too long.
Yeah. So, but it's a thumbs up from both of us.
Yep, it's a nice color.
Yep.
So we have applied the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade of Brink of Pink.
Yeah.
This is a highly pigmented lip color and it has a powdery finish, easy to glide, but it sets really fast.
Yeah, and it stays on like forever, and I think the color is really nice. I mean, it's
Yeah, I
really
love
suited.
this
I
color.
think
It's very
I think
nice.
it will suit any skin tone. Yeah,
Yep.
it's a complete thumbs up from both of us. Okay, so we both are wearing the Sugar Smudge Me Not in the shade Rethink Pink. It's the same as the last one, the formula, and this is more on the fuchsia pink shade side.
Pretty good color.
Yeah, it's a
and
pretty good color. Yeah, it's a thumbs up from both of us.
Definitely thumbs up from me. I like this color. Yeah. So here we have applied the Maybelline Matte Bold Lipstick in the shade All Fired Up. It's pretty easy on the lips and glides very smoothly. Also pretty much pigmented.
Yeah, but you do need to retouch it after every 3-4 hours or whenever you have your meals. For me personally, it's a little neon, so I don't think I'll go for it very often.
Yeah, I might just wear it for some festive occasion or something. Definitely not everyday color to me at least. So right now we have applied again the Maybelline Matte Bold Lipstick in the shade Craving Coral. We have already spoken about this formula. As per the color, this is a very warm toned red.
Yeah, it's like the name goes, like coral red.
Yeah. So yeah, a pretty summer color.
Yeah.
And
Actually,
goes
for
well
a
with
daily
the-
use also, it's good.
Yeah,
it's
and
a
it goes
pretty
well
good.
with all skin tones also. I
Yeah,
think.
yeah.
Thumbs up.
Absolute thumbs up. So we are wearing the NYX Full Throttle in the shade Up the Base, and this is a classic red
color.
Yeah, and I think this is one of my favorite reds as well.
I guess so. Yeah, I've never
Yeah.
used this before, but this one seems like pretty
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
And the formula we have already spoken about.
Yeah.
And the color is thumbs up for
definitely
me.
a thumbs up for it. So we are wearing the Sugar Smudge Me Not in the shade Rust Lust,
Mhm.
this is a pretty terracotta red kind of a shade, and I think we have already spoken about the formula.
Yeah.
It stays on for a long time, and
The color
yeah.
is pretty good, but as you can see, it looks a bit different on both of us.
Yes, yes, it
But
does.
yeah, I do like this color pretty
Yeah, and it's a good red for daily wear as well.
much. So thumbs up. So now we have applied the same lipstick, Maybelline Matte Bold Matte, and this is in the shade Berry Bossy. As you can see, it's a pretty lovely color.
Yeah.
And the formula is same as we already described in All Fired Up. Definitely a thumbs up for me.
Yeah, it's a very pretty berry color. Yeah, thumbs up for me. Both are wearing NYX Full Throttle in the shade Locked, and this glides on pretty smoothly, and it's a very good color actually also, and it stays on for a very long time, and the stick is pretty thin as you can see, so it is easy to apply, And
But I think, as in, you know, if you wear it for like 5 hours, 6 hours, it stays. But for me, at least, it becomes very powdery and cakey at the end of the day, and then I'm just like, you know, I want to get rid of it. So I think again it varies. It's better
Yeah.
if you like moisturize
Yeah.
your lips overnight and stuff. Then this is
Yeah.
good.
Because this
Or else-
range is only like that, a little
Exactly.
bit like.
And it dries instantly, so
Yeah.
super matte.
Yeah, super matte. Yes.
So now we have applied the Sephora liquid lipstick in the shade 14, and as we all know, Sephora is a very well-known brand. This stays on forever, dries instantly when you're applying. It's not, you know, like, it's not that rough when you're applying it. It's very smooth.
Yeah.
I love this shade.
Yeah, me too. Absolutely. I love this shade, and yeah, there's nothing to say more about it.
I guess.
Yeah. So
Thumbs
it's a
up.
thumbs up. So we both are wearing the Milani Amore matte lip cream in the shade Obsession, and this is a very beautiful wine plum color, and it glides on pretty smoothly, dries up very fast, and also it does not require any kind of retouch even after you have your meals or anything.
Yeah, I think the best thing that I like about it is once you apply it,
Yeah.
you don't feel that heaviness of the matte lipsticks. This is very light on the lips
Right.
and very nice color.
Yeah, thumbs up from both of us.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And if you want to keep debugging your life along with us, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And please let us know your comments, suggestions, feedbacks in the comments below.
Yes, and
Keep debugging.
give that bug. Give that bug.